What if I told you getting rich is easier than you think? Indeed, the journey to wealth is often shrouded in misconceptions and false beliefs. It's commonly thought that one must be born into money or perhaps stumble upon a groundbreaking invention to amass great wealth. But what if the true secret to wealth was far simpler and more attainable than you ever imagined? Let's take a moment to consider one of the wealthiest individuals in the world, Warren Buffett. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Buffett's journey towards his billions was not marked by silver spoons or lucky breaks. Instead, his wealth accumulation was the result of a specific mindset and strategic approach that he honed from an early age. Born in the midst of the Great Depression, Buffett was not handed a life of luxury. Yet by the time he was 30, he was a millionaire, and by 60, a billionaire. How did he do it? Was it by chasing quick wins and get-rich-quick schemes? No. Buffett's path to wealth was paved with patience, discipline, and an unyielding belief in the power of compound interest. But let's rewind a bit. At the tender age of 19, Buffett stumbled upon a book that would forever change his approach to money. It was this book, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, that introduced him to the concept of value investing. It wasn't about chasing trends or gambling on hot stocks. It was about finding undervalued companies and patiently waiting for the market to recognize their worth. This simple yet profound approach debunked the common myth that one has to take massive risks to accumulate wealth. Instead, Buffett showed the world that the path to wealth is often paved with patience, discipline, and a deep understanding of value. So, what was the secret that transformed Warren Buffett into one of the world's wealthiest men at such an early age? Stay tuned to discover the secret that transformed Warren Buffett into a billionaire at an early age. Imagine being 19 and stumbling upon a secret that would make you one of the wealthiest individuals in the world. In the year 1948, a young man named Warren Buffett was living in Omaha, Nebraska. He was just like any other teenager of his time, with a voracious appetite for knowledge and a keen interest in the world of business and finance. However, he was not yet the Oracle of Omaha we know today. Buffett's life took a significant turn when he stumbled upon a book titled The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This was not just any book, but a veritable treasure trove of wisdom that would shape this young man's destiny. The book introduced him to the concept of value investing, a principle that would become the cornerstone of his investment philosophy. Value investing, as Graham defined it, is the art of buying stocks for less than their intrinsic value. The idea was simple yet profound. It was about identifying and investing in undervalued companies and patiently waiting for the market to recognize their true worth. Intrigued by this concept, Buffett devoured the book, internalizing its teachings, and began applying them to his own investment strategies. He realized that value investing was not just about numbers and balance sheets. It was about patience, discipline, and a deep understanding of the business world. This was the secret that 19-year-old Buffett discovered, a secret that was not hidden in the stars, but in the pages of a book. It was a secret that debunked the myth of get-rich-quick schemes and emphasized the importance of long-term strategic investments. Buffett's faith in value investing was unwavering. He believed in it so deeply that he eventually went on to study under Benjamin Graham at Columbia University. And the rest, as they say, is history. Today, Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, is celebrated as one of the world's most successful investors, with a net worth that runs into billions. All thanks to a book he read at the tender age of 19. And just like that, a young man discovered a principle that would guide his journey to billions. Now, let's delve into the lessons Buffett learned at this pivotal age. Firstly, Buffett learned the importance of investing in oneself. He believed that the most valuable asset anyone possesses is themselves. By continuously learning and developing new skills, we become our own best investment. Buffett himself is a testament to this, being an avid reader and always seeking to expand his knowledge. Secondly, he learned to understand the value of a dollar. It's not just about how much money you earn, but how much you keep and how wisely you use it. Buffett, even at a young age, was frugal and understood the significance of saving and spending wisely. This mindset played a crucial role in his accumulation of wealth. The third lesson was around the principle of value investing. Buffett realized it was not about following the crowd, but rather about finding undervalued investments and holding on to them until their true value was recognized by the market. This approach requires patience and a keen understanding of a company's intrinsic value, but it's a strategy that has consistently paid off for Buffett. The final lesson, and perhaps the most powerful, is the concept of compound interest. Buffett learned early on that making money work for you rather than the other way around is the key to amassing wealth. Compound interest, or earning interest on your interest, is a powerful tool that can lead to exponential growth over time. It's no surprise then that Buffett's strategy has always been to invest for the long term. These lessons didn't just shape Buffett's investment strategy, they became the bedrock of his philosophy. It's not just about making money, but about understanding its value, investing wisely, and making your money work for you. It's about patience, perseverance, and a steadfast belief in the principles of value investing and the power of compound interest. The lessons Buffett learned at 19 didn't just make him rich, they revolutionized the way the world thinks about investing. So, what does this mean for you, you might ask? Let's take a moment to summarize the main points of our journey together. We've unveiled the unexpected secret to wealth and dove into the mind of the Oracle of Omaha at the tender age of 19. We've gleaned the invaluable lessons that Warren Buffett learned, lessons that would later shape his path to billions. Now it's time to ask, how can you apply these lessons to your own life? How can you tap into the wisdom of one of the world's wealthiest individuals? It's simple, really. Embrace patience, for wealth is a game of endurance, not speed. Cultivate perseverance, because the road to riches is often paved with challenges. And develop a keen eye for value, just as Buffett did. Remember, getting rich might be easier than you think, but it takes patience, perseverance, and a keen eye for value. Just ask Warren Buffett.